At 11 p.m. in the Twin Cities it was partly cloudy. It was minus 10 degrees, or minus 23 degrees Celsius. The dew point was minus 18. The relative humidity was 67%. The wind was northwest at 8 miles an hour. The wind chill was minus 26. The pressure was 30.14 inches and steady. Around the metro, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of minus 8 at St. Paul, minus 11 at Blaine, minus 13 at Eden Prairie, and minus 17 at Lakeville. At Lake Elmo, it was fair, with a temperature of minus 11. Around the state, it was partly cloudy. It was minus 12 at Rochester, minus 16 at St. Cloud, minus 17 at Brainerd, minus 16 at Duluth, and minus 41 at International Falls. Across the Dakotas, skies ranged from partly cloudy to mostly cloudy. It was minus 24 at Fargo, and minus 6 at Sioux Falls. In Iowa, it was partly cloudy. It was 0 at Des Moines, and minus 12 at Mason City. Around Wisconsin, skies ranged from clear to partly cloudy. It was 1 at Madison, 5 at Milwaukee, and minus 7 at Eau Claire. Once again at 11 p.m. in the Twin Cities, it was minus 10 degrees. The wind chill was minus 26. Under partly cloudy skies.
Now the latest weather synopsis for the eastern Dakotas, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Iowa. The eastern half of the region will be very cold and dry overnight. The western half of the region will start out very cold, and then turn milder with rising temperatures, and light snow spreading across the Dakotas this evening to western Minnesota and western Iowa by Friday morning. Very cold Arctic air with low temperatures in the teens and 20s below zero will drift across over eastern Minnesota, eastern Iowa, and western Wisconsin tonight with light and variable winds and increasing cloud cover. Very cold evening temperatures in the teens and 20s below zero over the eastern Dakotas, western Minnesota, and western Iowa will rise into the single digits by morning. Light snow spreads across Minnesota, Iowa, and far western Wisconsin during the day Friday. A few flurries persist over the eastern Dakotas. Temperatures remain cold over Minnesota, Wisconsin, and most of Iowa and eastern North Dakota, in the single digits above and below zero. Highs in the teens and 20s for the rest of the western Dakotas and southwest Iowa. Dangerous wind chills tonight into Friday. A wind chill advisory remains in effect through 9 a.m. Friday morning for central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. Wind speeds of 5 to 15 miles per hour overnight combined with temperatures below zero will yield wind chill readings from 25 below to 35 below zero. Wind chill readings may briefly approach 40 below zero across west central Minnesota around daybreak Friday. These very low wind chill temperatures will result in frostbite and lead to hypothermia if precautions are not taken. When venturing outdoors, make sure you wear a hat and gloves and several layers of clothing. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Tonight, clear in the evening then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 20 below. Northwest winds 10 miles an hour. Wind chill readings 23 below to 33 below zero. Friday, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of snow in the morning, then a chance of snow in the afternoon. Highs around 5 above. Southeast winds 5 miles an hour. Chance of snow 50%. Friday night, not as cold. Mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of snow in the evening, then partly cloudy overnight. Lows 5 below to zero. South winds 5 miles an hour shifting to the west overnight. Saturday, partly cloudy. Highs around 10 above. Northwest winds 5 miles an hour. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 5 below. Northeast winds 10 miles an hour. And now for the extended forecast. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of snow. Highs around 10. Lows around 5. Monday and Monday night, mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of snow. Highs around 15. Lows around 5. Tuesday and Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Highs around 20. Lows around 10. Wednesday through Thursday, mostly cloudy. Highs around 20. Lows around 10. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for tonight, clear in the evening then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 20 below. Northwest winds 10 miles an hour. Wind chill readings 23 below to 33 below zero.